to private parking in COTA. Camp set up before the rain tonight. Let's see if I can give myself a little handy stick here.
That's all right. I'm still here.
So, set up a nice little shelter in here before the rain starts, hopefully, and got camp lighting that we're gonna turn on later tonight. Another lantern here. I guess I don't have to turn the camera, do I? This is a 360. I am getting a surprising amount of sun from the very limited sunlight that we have through the cloud cover, but it was enough to recharge my battery pack, and one of the GoPro batteries is already charged up. It's a little hard to see in the sunlight, but one of them is green and that one is still charging. So I'll have plenty of power for tonight to recharge other cameras, and yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna go get food and something to drink. I'm very parched. So we'll shut this down for the moment and rejoin the festivities. I need to look at the race schedule. I think we've got stuff going on until 4 or 5 this afternoon. It's about, I think it's 1 o'clock right now. Take a look. What do we have? What do we have? Yeah, it's 1:40. So we'll get some food, come back, hopefully walk down, see some of the events before today is done, and then tomorrow is the main races, and hopefully the weather will be good. We'll find out.